Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Academies Australasia Polytechnic student account, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Academies Australasia Polytechnic student account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and search for aapoly.edu.au on the search bar like this and hit on enter. And on this interface, you'll be on the home page of Academies Australasia Polytechnic over here. Now, in order to log into your student account from over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see here it says the student login. Click on student login at the top right corner of the screen, and it's kind of interface will appear. Either you want to log into your Paradigm account or your aapoly LMS. So in order to log in, click on the platform which you want to log in, and it will open like this. You can see over here you can log into your account on the Paradigm as well as this aapoly LMS. Now in order to log in, enter your student ID or your staff username, whichever may it be, and after that enter your password. But guys, if you have forgotten your username or password, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgotten username or password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your student ID or password. And with that being said guys, after entering your student ID or your staff username over here and your password, click on the login button, and then you'll be signed into your Academies Australia Polytechnic student account, either on the LMS or the Paradigm section over here, for which you'll be also required to enter your username over here, whichever might be, and your password. And after entering your username and your password, simply click on the login button now over here, and then you'll be signed into your Academies Australasia Polytechnic student account. And then guys, this is how to log into your Academies Australasia Polytechnic student account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.